Why are people in Serbia so tall? If you walk through Belgrade, you will quickly notice you are in one of the tallest nations on earth. In fact, Serbia consistently ranks in the top 5 globally for average height. The secret starts with the Dinaric Alps. This mountain range, which stretches across Serbia, is home to a specific genetic lineage known as the IM170 haplogroup. Scientific studies show a direct link between this DNA marker and exceptional height. Some researchers believe the people of the Dinaric Alps actually have the highest genetic height potential in the world, even surpassing the Dutch. Geography played a role too. For centuries, the rugged mountain lifestyle favored individuals with large, robust frames. This was paired with a diet historically rich in high-quality proteins. Serbians consume a significant amount of dairy and meat, providing the essential nutrients needed during puberty to hit those growth spurts. Finally, there is the culture. Serbia is a powerhouse in sports like basketball and water polo, whereas the culture. Serbia is a powerhouse in sports like basketball and water polo, where height is a massive advantage. This creates a cycle where physical activity and nutrition allow the younger generation to reach their full biological potential. Today, it is common to see Serbian teenagers easily clearing 190 centimeters.